Hello guys, today I want to show you how to fix a problem with trading chart. For example, this in Binance. As you can see, there are no movement in here and the order book also not working. This is look static and no movement in this. Only the time zone that working. So how to fix this? Easy way to fix this is use another browser. For example, I try using Brave browser. As you can see here that when I using another browser, you can see that there are movement in here. The order book is moving, working also with the chart. And another solution when your browser stuck like this, no movement, you can go to setting, disable all VPN that you have in the browser. You must disable the VPN. And second, we can use DNS. For example, I'm using Google public DNS, and then once again we can open Binance. For example, I'm open the spot. As you can see here, now there are movement in order book and also in the trading chart. So that it is a tutorial how to fix not working trading chart when you try to open it with desktop browser. If you have another question, please feel free to write in comment section. Thank you for watching and see ya.